were driving back to Laughlin and we saw this Spirit Mountain Casino in Bullhead City, Arizona. Arizona? Arizona.
Nevada? No?
Arizona. We're in Nevada. We're in Arizona side. Yeah.
So this must be a cardinal.
I'm not sure. We'll find out. He's probably gonna say something about my camera.
Oh my god, it's hot.
It is hot. How's it going?
Good.
Yeah.
Is this affiliated with Avi? Is it Avi? Avi?
It is, but like by tribe alone, we have the same cards now.
Oh, okay.
But there's slot machines.
Just to let you know, I do have to see what's inside the bag unless you want to leave it outside.
No, it's fine.
All right,
You can open
let's
it
go
up.
inside first.
Okay.
I don't want to make you guys do it out of the heat. Come on.
Yeah.
You know how to do a bag check, man?
All right. I'm gonna pretend I'm on phone. So they are affiliated with Avi, same tribe. I guess it's the same tribe. Huff and Puff. Did they have your Dragon Link here?
If you just come back inside.
Let's just take a look.
Okay.
What is this? Lucky Buddha?
Oh, over there.
All right. We'll walk this way. It's a small casino. Very small. Well, we're on the way, so might as well just check it out. Not much room in here. All the Game Kings in the middle. Game King, Keno. They have a mixture of all the new games, old games. Yeah, nothing is loud. It's the chasing game. Oh, they got coffee. Oh my god, coffee.
Okay, it's just like on the floor. Okay, thank you.
Is this complimentary?
Yeah.
Oh, awesome. Oh my goodness. Yes. Okay, cool. Let's try the coffee, everybody. You know how I like to dry coffee. Put some water in here. It's hot. It's hot. Woo. Coffee is okay, I guess. There's a bar right here. Mesquite Grill. It's hot. It's hot. Add some water in it. Oh yeah, black coffee. Ah, that's how I like it. Black like my heart. Okay, just kidding. Cash Express Luxury Line. This is the machine that you won like at almost like $700. The ceilings are tall here. There's smoking in here. Coffee is okay, not bad. I thought you saw Dragon Link. Did I miss it?
I thought I did, but it's not Dragon.
Oh, that's weird. Okay, so this casino and Avi, since it's related, they don't have Dragon Links.
I wonder why not.
Yeah. Just so you know, they have Lightning Link, but they don't have Dragon Link. They have Lightning Link. That's weird. We noticed that over at Avi. It's like, hey, the big casino has no Dragon Link. none here. Well, that's it. What's up? Yeah, I didn't think they would. No. I don't. You can if I'd probably recommend not to. Here, let me go somewhere. Well, that's it, everybody. That's it. Yeah, so I asked them if they knew why they don't have Dragon Link, and nobody here knows. They know they have Lightning Link, but they don't know about Dragon Link. Oh well, all good. Cool. Thank you guys.
Take it easy.
All right, have a nice night. Yeah.